Welcome your faces back to another Crypto Jet video where today we're talking about Hbar, but not this unit in physics or whatever it says right here when you type it in Google, but Hedera Hashgraph, one of the leading cryptocurrencies in the world. It's the native energy efficient cryptocurrency of the Hedera public network. The website looks something like this. It is carbon negative and it's a really cool project. Now, in today's video, next to Hbar, I'm going to be talking about why Forex Factory is extremely crucial for you guys investing or trading in any market in the world, including crypto. We're going to cover some news if anything is interesting or on CoinDesk. I think India's new crypto rules are something very worthy to be covering. And last of all, we're going to go through the price action and the chart of Hedera. So if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. It really means a lot to me. Now, first and foremost, what I wanted to cover is Hedera. Obviously, so you don't get clickbaited, this is what we're going to start with, right? It's 10 times faster than blockchain alternatives. It works on their own public hash graph, so to be called. So the hash graph is somewhat similar to a blockchain, but it's a little bit different. It's done smarter, as they say, and they are completely carbon negative, which is something that we should be striving to achieve, especially in today's day where scarcity is a big deal and sustainability is something that is very important in the world. I think we should all agree on that. Always predictable gas fees, unlike Ethereum, where it ranges between $30 and $200 every single day. It's absolutely crazy, right? It's actually owned and governed by the world's leading organization. You can see a lot of people who are actually part of it. A lot of big firms such as Boeing, IBM, Google. I mean, everyone is part of Hedera itself. Future built on trust. We're not really going to read that. It doesn't matter. But this is very important right here, right? So we started off in the crypto world with Bitcoin pioneering decentralization, right? And then Ethereum brought programmability and buildability to be able to build new networks and new stuff and new decentralized applications and stuff like that, right? But all of these earlier proof of work blockchains consume massive amounts of energy and process transaction very, very slowly. So Hedera comes in and it's the third generation ledger, and essentially what you can see right here is a huge increase in transactions per second, a huge decrease in the average fee, 3 to 5 seconds transaction confirmation, and a huge decrease in energy use per transaction, which is extremely crucial as well. So you're welcome to pause the video if you want to compare everything yourself, but Hedera Proof of Stake public network powered by the Hashgraph consensus actually achieves the highest grade of security possible, or ABFT. You can click on the link to check more about that, with blazing fast transaction speeds and incredibly low bandwidth consumption. So it's a crazy network. They do a lot of different stuff, so you are able to build your own token on the Hedera Hashgraph. You are able to build your own consensus service for saying yes or no to whatever you want, and also smart contract service in case you need smart contracts for building anything. You can build your own Hashgraph right here and right now. Now, it is a decentralized sort of trust for any application, so you are able to provide proof such for any type of immutable event. So its use cases are in fraud mitigation, Internet of Things monitoring, content authenticity, permission blockchain, creator tokens, tokenization platform, verifiable goods, energy marketplace, a lot of different stuff, right? It's absolutely crazy. And also, obviously, these tokenized assets create value for anybody in the market, right? And especially the fact that they are completely sustainable. So the co-founder and chief scientist said, what if anyone on Earth at any moment could just wave their hand and carve out a world of their own in cyberspace? Absolutely crazy. There is a little explainer video right here if you want to watch, but I think I covered it pretty well, right? So a few benefits of the network itself: it's fast, it's secure, it's fair, and it's stable. Not much more to talk about right here. Here's some of the metrics of the network, but I guess you understand how it's actually looking. And judging by that, it's no surprise that the coin is 34th judging by market cap in the whole world, with a market cap of almost $4 billion. And I do recommend to actually check it out because I do believe it will be surviving in the future, right? So once the new bull market actually starts. So what we can see right here is a nice trend line being followed towards the upside, a nice correction pattern, and I do believe that if we do reach any area around here, it will be a good buying opportunity. So anywhere in the vicinity of the $0.15 mark, potentially even between the $0.1 mark and the price right now and $0.2, anywhere is a good place to buy in my personal opinion. because we do have a nice zone of support around the $0.1 mark as well. So pretty much anywhere right here would be a good buying opportunity. That's basically it when it comes to Hedera. Now, Forex Factory is a very important source, and I just wanted to touch up on this a little bit. I'll talk more about it in a future video, but currently we can see that it is a bank holiday, right, in the US. So what does that mean? It essentially means that there will be less volume in the market. So if it's a bank holiday in the USA, it means that banks won't be investing, they won't be performing any trades, and as they are the biggest players, a lot of the key volume of the day will actually be missing. Makes perfect sense. But this is not only applicable to Forex, it's applicable to pretty much any market in the world. I mean, you have Forex, you have stocks, you have crypto, and all of this news affects it in some way, right? For example, monetary policy reports have a huge effect on the stock market and on the crypto market as well. We have FOMC meetings, we have flash manufacturing, we have CPI, unemployment numbers. All of that affects currencies a little bit more than anything else, but it's still very important for any trader. So I do recommend you keep it open in a tab as you're trading. Lastly, when it comes to the India news, we can see that some crazy stuff is going on, right? So first of all, the government is levying a 30% tax, or intends to levy it, on any income generated from crypto transactions, and also a second tax of 1% at all transactions happening. So this is cool, right? They're trying to regulate it, they're trying to tax it. Sounds good, right? It's good for crypto, it's good for them, it's good for the regularity of everything. I support it. Secondly, they're intending to introduce a digital rupee, or a CBDC, central bank digital currency, within the financial year. So that's very, very soon, and absolutely crazy. And you know what the craziest part is? How can these guys tax crypto when crypto is not even legal in India? My mind exploded when I read this. I have no idea what's happening. If you do have any suggestions, make sure to comment down below, because that's it for today's video. So if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Keep waiting for Hedera to come into the $0.1 mark or something, and get ready to smash that like button once again. So thanks for watching another one. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.